Have you ever wondered what opportunities lie ahead after completing D-Pharmacy in India? It's a question that often looms in the minds of many students, and rightfully so. After all, the path you choose to tread upon completion of your degree shapes your future in more ways than one. Let's take a journey together into the world of D-Pharmacy in India. We'll explore the myriad opportunities that await you in this dynamic and ever-evolving field. It's an industry that's not just about dispensing medications anymore. It has grown and diversified, offering a plethora of opportunities that go beyond the traditional roles. The current scenario of the pharmacy industry in India is a testament to this change. With the rise in healthcare needs and the advancement in pharmaceutical research, the industry presents a promising landscape for D-Pharmacy graduates. Stay with us as we unravel the numerous opportunities that await you after D-Pharmacy in India. The first set of opportunities that we'll explore are related to the healthcare sector. In the vast landscape of healthcare, there are numerous roles for the skilled pharmacist. And it's not just about dispensing medications at the counter. Hospitals, for instance, offer a broad range of roles for pharmacists. You could find yourself in a clinical pharmacist role, where you'll be part of a healthcare team, working closely with physicians and nurses to ensure the best possible patient outcomes. You'll be responsible for optimizing the use of medication by promoting health, wellness, and disease prevention. This might involve advising doctors on drug selection and how to avoid potential drug interactions, thus playing a critical role in patient safety. On the other hand, in private clinics, the role of a pharmacist might be more centered around patient counseling and education. You'll be the one patients turn to for advice on their medication, explaining how it works, its side effects, and answering any queries they might have. The ability to effectively communicate complex medical information to patients in a way they can understand is a key skill here. Then we have healthcare facilities like nursing homes and rehabilitation centers. Here, the pharmacist's role can be quite diverse, ranging from managing the medication supply chain to providing specialized care for the elderly or those undergoing rehabilitation. This could involve creating personalized medication plans, monitoring patient progress, and adjusting treatments as necessary. But let's not forget about the opportunities in pharmaceutical care and research. Pharmacists with a keen interest in research can contribute significantly to the development of new drugs and health interventions. They can also be involved in the analysis of drug efficacy, safety, and health outcomes, which are essential aspects of public health. So, you see, the role of a pharmacist is not confined to a single function. It's a multifaceted profession with numerous opportunities to make a significant impact on patient health and well-being. But the healthcare sector is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's delve deeper. Beyond the healthcare sector, the pharmaceutical industry offers a plethora of opportunities. Let's dive into the multitude of roles that pharmaceutical companies have to offer. Firstly, drug manufacturing. As a D-Pharmacy graduate, you could be creating the medications that save lives and improve health outcomes every day. From synthesizing and compounding drugs to packaging and labeling. This role is all about turning raw materials into the finished product that ends up in pharmacies and hospitals. It's a job that requires precision, attention to detail, and an understanding of chemical processes. Quality control is another vital role in the pharmaceutical industry. It's about ensuring that every product that leaves the factory meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. As a quality control officer, you'd be testing samples, analyzing results, and making sure that everything is up to par. It's a role that combines technical knowledge with a commitment to excellence. Sales and marketing roles are also abundant in the pharmaceutical sector. If you have a knack for communication and a passion for healthcare, this could be the perfect fit. You'd be promoting the products of the company, working closely with healthcare professionals, and helping to ensure that the right medications reach the right people. It's a job that requires a mix of scientific understanding and people skills, Research and development is another exciting area. If you're fascinated by the science behind drugs and have a desire to innovate, this could be the career path for you. You'd be working on new drug formulations, conducting clinical trials, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. And lastly, regulatory affairs. This role is all about navigating the complex world of healthcare regulations. You'd be ensuring that the company's products comply with all relevant laws and guidelines, a job that's as challenging as it is important. The pharmaceutical industry indeed offers exciting roles, but wait, there's more. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the vast array of opportunities after D-Pharmacy in India. Did you know that D-Pharmacy can also open doors to academia and research? Yes, my friends, the opportunities are not just confined to hospitals, pharmacies, and the pharmaceutical industry. You can also make your mark in the academic and research field. So, let's dive into this fascinating world, shall we? Firstly, teaching. If you're someone who enjoys sharing knowledge and inspiring others, then a career in academia could be a perfect fit for you. As a D-Pharmacy graduate, you could be shaping the minds of future pharmacists. With your degree, you can teach in pharmacy colleges, universities, and even in vocational training centers. Your expertise could be the guiding light for students stepping into the world of pharmacy. But that's not all. Your D-Pharmacy degree could also be a stepping stone towards higher studies. You can pursue a master's degree in pharmacy or even a PhD, thereby deepening your knowledge and understanding. With such qualifications, you could become a professor or a leading researcher in your field. Now, let's turn our attention to research. The world of pharmaceutical research is vast and exciting. It's a field where you can genuinely make a difference. You can work in research institutions, laboratories, and even in pharmaceutical companies' research and development departments. Your work could lead to the discovery and development of new drugs, improving healthcare and potentially saving lives. And guess what? If you're more inclined towards the business side of things, you can also work in market research. Here, you'll be analyzing market trends, studying consumer behavior, and helping companies make informed decisions. Remember, each of these roles is crucial and impacts the world of healthcare in significant ways. Whether you're teaching the pharmacists of tomorrow, conducting groundbreaking research, or influencing the market, your contribution is invaluable. Indeed, the world of academia and research creates a whole new dimension of opportunities. So go ahead, explore these avenues, and make your mark in the world of pharmacy. To wrap up the list, let's explore some non-traditional and emerging opportunities. First up is medical writing. This is an exciting field where your pharmaceutical knowledge can truly shine. Medical writers are responsible for creating documents that accurately represent medical data and research findings. They work with doctors, researchers, and other professionals to write, edit, and revise documents for medical journals, pharmaceutical companies, and medical device manufacturers. With an increasing focus on research and development in the pharmaceutical industry, the demand for skilled medical writers is on the rise. Next, let's talk about clinical trials. These are pivotal in bringing new medications to market, and they need professionals who understand the ins and outs of drug development. As a D-Pharmacy graduate, you could find yourself coordinating and managing these trials, ensuring they adhere to ethical standards and interpreting the data they produce. It's a challenging role, but one that offers the chance to be at the forefront of medical advancements. And then there's regulatory affairs. This is all about ensuring that pharmaceutical companies comply with all of the regulations and laws pertaining to their business. From the early stages of a product's development to its sale and beyond, regulatory affairs professionals play a critical role. If you have a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of the pharmaceutical industry, this could be a fantastic fit for you. Lastly, let's not forget about roles in sales and marketing. These teams need individuals who understand the products they're selling inside and out. With a D-Pharmacy degree, you'd be able to provide that expertise, helping to develop marketing strategies and drive sales for pharmaceutical companies. And there you have it. D-Pharmacy isn't just about dispensing medications, it's a versatile degree that opens doors to a myriad of roles in the ever-evolving pharmaceutical industry. These emerging roles are reshaping the pharmacy profession and offer unique opportunities for D-Pharmacy graduates. So there you have it, a comprehensive list of opportunities after D-Pharmacy in India. We've traveled through a landscape of opportunities today, haven't we? From the dynamic world of healthcare to the ever-evolving sphere of the pharmaceutical industry, each sector holds its own unique promise. Let's not forget academia, where you can mold the minds of future pharmacists and contribute to the growth of this field. Then there's research, a domain that's always in need of fresh perspectives and innovative ideas to drive advancements in pharmaceutical science. And of course, we've touched upon the emerging roles that continue to unfold with technological progress and societal needs. These roles bridge the gap between traditional pharmacy practice and the demands of a modern world. Remember, the opportunities are vast. It's up to you to seize them. Here's to a promising and fulfilling career after D-Pharmacy in India.